This is my corner. I don't know what this is. Boomer. Good curry.
Medium well.
Medium well.
Medium well.
medium rare. medium.
Medium 吗？
I gave you， 可是你要这个，这个比较。Can I change? Because I like more.
Think how you eat How you enjoy the food
How I cut?
How you cut?
No, just taking a random shot. Sorry. Take it. More beef.
I thought the FBS one not bad.
I never tried.
FBS the whole like the one not bad.
More beef.
Long time ago they
Beef.
有嘢我炒可能都知道。
This is good.
嗰個流派。
The cubes.
This is beef stew. It's stir fried beef. Everything beef. Roasted beef. Right, we are losing money at this buffet because it's only my second plate and I've already moved on to the dessert section. I'm so full. I don't know why. So full today. Look. What's inside? Oh, no wonder.
I like it.
Good dessert.
做这边管理5个月。
What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. So I just had lunch, a buffet lunch, which I only ate like 2 plates and yeah, it was actually for Eunice's aunties, their birthday, so celebrated their birthday here. I don't even know the name of the hotel, but yeah, it's pretty normal. The buffet, nothing interesting, nothing really nice. So maybe that's why I didn't eat much. But yeah, after 2 plates, it was just meh. Anyway, I just stayed back at the hotel to do some of the editing because I haven't been posting for a while. So yeah, there's a beer event vlog which I'll be posting up probably tonight soon. So yeah, working on that, and then later I need to go back to the bar, help out because there's like a huge reservation tonight. So yeah, I will see how I can show you guys the workflow at the bar. Yeah, so see ya. Deal. caption တွေပါထိုးဖို့စဉ်းစားထားတယ်။အဲ့မှာတခုဆိုရင်ကွာကောင်မလေးနဲ့ကောင်လေးနဲ့တွဲအရင်လာတယ်ကွာ။လာပြီးတော့အမှဘီယာနှစ်ခုချပေးတာချပေးတဲ့အချိန်မှာကောင်မလေးကဘီယာမကြိုက်ဘူးဆိုပြီးပြောတာ။အဲ့အချိန်မှာကောင်လေးကချိန်ခိုင်းတာချိန်လဲချိန်ရောဘီယာမချိန်မဲနဲ့ကွာချိန်လိုက်တာကောင်မလေးကိုချိန်လိုက်တာအဲ့လိုခွက်တွေပါတယ်အဲ့လိုဟာတာလေးပါပြီးတော့တချို့ဟာလေးတွေကInstagram မှာမျိုးပို့ထားတဲ့ဟာလေး Good vibes only guys. What's going on over there? Good. 희비해지 뭐 있어요.
crowd နဲ့ plan နဲ့လုပ်သွားတဲ့ဟာကိုကျွန်တော်ပြချင်တယ်ဗျာပြီးသွားရင်ကျွန်တော်တို့အဲ့ LA ထဲဝင်လာတဲ့ဟာကိုတစ်ချက်တော့ still shot ရိုက်ပေးပါဆိုင်ငယ်တွေပါရှိတယ်ရတယ်လူတွေဖြတ်သွားလဲရတယ်ဗျာ natural ဖြစ်အောင်လုပ်ပါဗျာပြီးတော့ပြောလို့ဒီ
Guys, so it's 2 a.m. right now, and that's pretty much how my day went. Today I had a lot of meetings, and yeah, after the lunch, it's just work. Anyway, just to update you guys a few things, I'm shooting a production a week from now in Thailand, Bangkok, Thailand, and yeah, it's gonna be exciting. It is with a production name called Lakhotan Production, and yeah, they are doing amazing. I'm gonna be a part of them as well, so yeah, I'm excited for it. I will slowly introduce you guys to what this production is about, and why we are doing this and what's our goal and stuff like that, and I will share with you guys the guys that are involved as well when I meet them. So yeah, along the vlogs I will update it slowly. So yeah, that's pretty much it guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.